You'll notice that the knuckle changes are reflected here as well, as everything stays up to date. One of the most powerful benefits of designing in 3D is interference detection, which can identify clashes before any parts are built. SOLIDWORKS interference detection is extremely fast and powerful. We can run an interference detection on this 500 part assembly in no time at all, and sure enough, we have none. But most assemblies such as this one have moving parts, and for that, SOLIDWORKS provides real-time collision detection. So as you move your parts through their range of motion, SOLIDWORKS will find and identify any clashes in the assembly. Here we can see that the cylinder body is hitting the guard before the boom reaches its full range of motion. Well, if we change the width of the guard, we may solve the problem. But as I try to make the change, SOLIDWORKS warns me that this part is controlled with SOLIDWORKS Enterprise PDM and I don't have permissions to make this change.